you can, make the first left turn on the hard circle.
Oh.
Runway, just maintain about 10 feet, 15 feet. You're good now. Thank you very much. Clear to land on the yellow dot. Great job. Clear to land yellow dot on your right, C6.
Every demo, clear to land yellow dot.
Roger.
We got that sorted out.
Blue and white.
All the way down.
Holding RV half mile left base, start your descent.
We have one if you want to use it.
My rubber guy over the runway, just fly it all the way down past the yellow dot, or set it down just before the yellow dot, and if you can make that left turn onto the next hard surface past the yellow dot. Take forward, clear to land past the red square on the right side. Take forward.
I just came over and landed in Barron on 2-7. What the heck? Did you get out all the rabbits?
Clear half mile left base, start your descent.
Because I was cleaning up like a horrible. I said, hey, you know,
They don't have to do that. Taxi lanes in the grass there, south of that. Yellow dot for turn.
Start 20 final, runway 36 left, clear to land yellow dot.
Yellow dot, 36 left, canard.
You're following the canard, start final, runway 36 left, runway 36 left, clear to land yellow dot.
Got it, yellow dot.
Rolling a mile south, turning in towards the number. Landing is just putting final. Third line on runway 36 right.
Okay.
Eileen Taildraggers, final third line, runway 36 left, land before the yellow dot if you can make the first car surface taxiway just after it.
And rotate it forward like this. And then,
Land you, as soon as this guy behind you gets onto the runway there, you can go ahead and start your power down now. You said you're going to land just to the left of pink top. Oh, good. 23 is at the island. 23 left, just continue inbound to right base, runway 36 left. Base 36 left, we can take the right if it's any better for you. Try base for a nice job. So go ahead and set it down now and clear to land 36 left. The low wind with the tip tanks, go ahead and continue on the runway down past the yellow dot. Take the first hard surface turn past the yellow dot.
Hello?
Go ahead, try base and set it down right there. Yeah. Nice job. And if you can, make that first left turn off on the hard surface. Welcome back, Scott.
No, he's got to give it a minute. You got to put the key in.
Right. Past the red square, you could be rolling all the way to the end.
But I think what's wrong is over there. Where the hell are all these guys?
I couldn't see half of them. I know, I couldn't either.
Yeah, that's not something you guys would have known, so just remember that for next time.
Hey, George.
Filing, half mile left base, sector front, runway 36 left.
Oh, okay.
Yellow bi-wing, keep it rolling. Need you to hurry up down to the next left hard surface, just past Pink Dot. Red biplane, go around. Red biplane, go around.
That's fine, because I get it back to them.
You want the red for the L23? Red biplane, go ahead and fly it all the way up to just to beam the tower at the tower side of right crosswind, and we'll bring it back around to the left side of here. Okay. And that's us coming up on the Pink Dot, hurry up to the next intersection, past the Pink Dot, left turn, south leg, and north Oshkosh. Cessna short final runway 36 left, cleared to land just before the yellow dot. Yellow dot. South 23, keep it rolling all the way to the end, follow flagman, thanks. Let's try through to the end. Big forward, follow little forward, runway 36, right cleared to land beyond red square. We have a pit turning a base for the other runway in front of you here. Airport. Cessna over 36 left, keep it in the air to the yellow dot, keep it in the air to the yellow dot. Pit put down the numbers, runway 36 left, clear to land on the number. All the numbers, 36 left. Big forward, runway 36, right clear to land beyond the red square. Airport. RV, half mile left base for 2%. 15 go line down to the purple dot now. Cessna that's right over the runway now. They just touched down. Nice job. Thank you very much. Go ahead and get it slowed down. IAC. Okay, just continue down just past the yellow dot. Take the next pass, hard surface past the yellow dot. Copy. Slowing turn final runway 36 left. Cleared to land just over the yellow dot.
Well, here's what's funny. Remember Durango? Oh, that's right.
Silver Bridge 34 over the island.
The one that says for them is 99 Foxtrot.
Rolling over the runway just before yellow dot. Doing a great job. We set it down. Once you
90-99.
We'll make that first left intersection on the right. Need to left down the right. Runway just on the runway. Is that a storm? Correct.
Oh, yeah.
They leave everything wide open.
Guys after half mile left base, Richard Stone. Such just said, breathe out.
Is that one the Basler ones?
Great job. Keep it rolling. Keep the next left.
I can tell by the big ass humps on that. Huh?
Copy one up Charlie, left Oshkosh, western now to Park U. Skyline half mile left base, runway 36 left, start your descent. That green demo you saw for departing traffic just turning out to the southeast now off runway 36 left. Got it. General flight on the base, think maybe there's small phone. November 135 with Chicago.
Sling
Is it a plane demo or a screen demo? Screen demo.